I want to seek the Lord's face. Do you? I'm telling you, there's something special about just kind of getting away from the noise and just seeking the Lord's face. To seek the Lord means to pursue Him. It means to run after Him with all of your heart, with all of your guts, with all of your heart, with all of your mind, with all of your soul. You're running after God, the creator of the universe that's not a million miles away, but He's walking right beside you. When I was younger, I used to take walks. I called them Enoch walks. And Enoch walked with God. We know that in Genesis chapter 5, verse 24, that he walked with God and was not, for God took him. Every day he walked with the Lord. He would probably hug his wife and children and then take his walking stick and go out and walk with Jesus in the cool of the evening. The intimacy that they shared was so great, so deep, so meaningful, so awesome that one day the Lord just took him to heaven. And I thought, is it possible that we could walk with the Lord that much that we could tempt the Lord to take us? Oh, beloved, there's something special about the courts of the Lord. There's something special about the secret place, about rising above the distractions and saying, God, this is God time. I'm going to spend time with only you. I'm not going to spend time with my cell phone. I'm not going to spend time with Twitter. I'm not going to spend time with my best friend. I'm not going to spend time with anyone other than you. This is my time with you. And it's something when we start to get ourselves quiet, how the presence of the Lord comes in such a sweet and special way. I remember hearing a story once of a man I greatly admire. His name was Walter Butler. He passed away in 1974, so of course I never met him, but I read a lot of his writings and heard almost all of his sermons. And he got up one night and he was waiting on the Lord, and the Lord said, why are you up? I didn't call you to get up at this particular moment. And he said, Lord, because I just want to keep you company. And he said he literally felt the Lord walk up right behind him and stood over him. And he said he felt the teardrops of the Lord, the teardrops of the Lord literally splash upon his head. Can you imagine being so close to the Lord that He would walk up on you, that He would stand over you, and that you would feel His teardrops because the Lord was so touched that He wanted intimacy with the Lord that He literally cried? I want to see that happen in my life. I want to chase after God with all of my heart. I want the Lord to walk up on me. I want to touch His heart. I want to be His friend. Beloved, I encourage you today to chase after God. Run after Him with all of your heart, and the Lord will meet you. If you run after God, if you draw near to God, He will draw near to you. He will draw near to you, and you will burn with a fire of His divine love. God bless you. If you like this video, like it, and maybe share it with someone. Or you could go to our website at findrefuge.tv. God bless you. I'm Steve Porter. Take care.